This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tirso Quintero. Discover this updated 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home tucked away on a cul-de-sac with an extra large corner lot and partial fencing. Renovations include a new metal roof, updated AC system, refreshed kitchen, new interior doors, updated windows, ceiling fans, and freshly painted interiors. Both bathrooms have also been modernized, making this property move-in ready. Appliances included are refrigerator, range, washer, and dryer. The laundry room is conveniently located just off the dining area. The home is currently tenant-occupied with the lease ending on September 30th. Please note, photos were taken when the property was vacant. Interior paint colors and finishes may differ from what is shown. Located in a quiet neighborhood, this home is just a short drive to restaurants, shopping, and more. Whether you're searching for your first home or your next investment, this opportunity is one you don't want to miss. Schedule your showing today. For more information,